Hey guys, press the bell icon and never miss a video from Ayola DIY. Hello friends, so today I will be teaching you all how to make this beautiful layout again in mixed media style, and this one is made completely using the Havana collection by Prima. I think it was released in mid-March. It's a very fun collection with very beautiful colors, and I have absolutely enjoyed working with this collection. The first thing which I am doing is preparing my base, and for that I have taken two different pattern papers and I'm trying to assemble them onto one another such that it creates a contrast. Using a clear gesso, I'm going to prime my paper. I do this step because I don't want my colors to smudge and I don't want my paper to get damaged. Priming is very important. It will always protect the paper, and as this gesso is clear, it will always dry out transparent so that your beautiful pattern is always revealed. I'm using water to mold my paper. This helps in making the paper soggy so that I can fold it into desired shape. Make sure that you de-stress the paper to give it a very nice old vintage look. It is very important to give a proper structure to the base of your layout. It enhances the beauty, and I feel the more time you give to the base of the layout, the better layout would look. Now I will add some texture to the base of my layout by using some paper texture paste and a stencil. They both are by Prima Marketing. As far as I know, the stencil is pretty old and it's hard to find, but I have linked down the paper texture paste below. Before proceeding further, let's add some color to this layout. For that, use some Art Alchemy paints. Dilute it with a lot of water so that your paper is not stained and it gives a very nice blended defined look. Now I will start my composition. For this particular layout, I had to think a lot for making the entire composition because I had a particular theme in mind, but I was very happy with the end result. I made some decorative pieces using IOD mold and some paper clay, and once they are dry, I'm adding some colors to it. The colors which I'm using are Art Alchemy paints, again by Prima Marketing, and they are of superb quality. Now I'm adding some flowers to my composition. They are mostly from Havana collection, and if not Havana, they are basically a mix of flowers from Prima. Making a composition is very therapeutic for me. My usual brain activity is very stressed and I'm always under a lot of pressure. But whenever I craft, I feel really good. I think it is one activity which makes me feel very nice about myself, and it is very emotionally exhilarating. I do suggest that each one of you who's watching my channel should create more because it can help you in solving a lot of problems. Whenever I am creating composition, I always keep on adding and deleting elements, and you'll always see me that I keep on sticking elements with hot glue and then I plug them out. But usually if you put a flower over it, you can always cover the wear and tear. I usually make these IOD mold decorative pieces all at a go, and when I am creating, I keep on using them one by one. Using my die cutting machine, I cut a lot of foliage which I always keep in stock. They act as very good fillers while I'm making my layout. To give a proper finishing look to my layout, I'm adding some art stones using some soft matte gel. I'm also using some art melange stones to complete the look. Now let's add some dry moss to give it more natural look. I'm sticking this dry moss using some soft matte gel. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. In case you did, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.